Well, good morning and happy Monday, everybody. We are starting off cool, but not cold like it was over the past weekend. We should warm up nicely into the mid-70s, maybe even a little bit warmer than that. I do not expect it to be as cool even tomorrow as today, but we should be back in the 50s in most spots. Things are going to be feeling a little bit more spring-like for most of this week, and we will cook up a few clouds at times, but I think our rain chances are going to stay at a minimum. 53 right now at the Tallahassee Airport, 49 in Valdosta, we're at 46 in Thomasville. Normal morning temperature should be middle and upper 40s this time of the year, so pretty close to it. Blakely's the cool spot at 43. It's 51 at St. Mark's, 50 at Perry. We're at 48 degrees in Moultrie. It's 46 degrees in Homerville. On average, we're talking 9, 10, 12 degrees warmer right now than it was 24 hours ago. We had a bunch of 30s for temperatures yesterday morning. They're done, at least for this week. Usually we can still get a couple of cooler mornings even into the beginning of April, so we're not completely done with any cooler temperatures, but I don't see very many in the forecast this week, especially not if we keep a few clouds around. And I do think over the next couple of days we will cook up a few clouds, and some should stick around overnight, which likely means the next few mornings we'll watch those temperatures come up a little bit. Higher pressure anchored off the Atlantic coast, still going to be our big weather player. As a matter of fact, likely going to get a little reinforcement over the Gulf, and that's going to keep anything that's trying to move into the southeast way off to our north. Now, far northern sections, far western sections, maybe a sprinkle or two possible at times this week, but for most of our area, I think we're going to go with those combination skies, partly cloudy even, and warming temperatures each of the next couple of days, expecting the good stuff. I mean, daytime highs that can get up near 80, morning lows that stay in the 50s. Very, very comfortable, especially for early March. Futurecast looks for maybe a couple of sprinkles and spots. Wouldn't surprise me if a little shower tried to drift in from the Atlantic or off to our north, closer to where some of that energy is. But really, not much is coming this way. The upper level wind's not real favorable to push anything down here. So we are in for some pretty quiet weather for the next couple of days. We just will notice a little bit more cloud cover at times. Winds on the Gulf today, southeast and east, 8 to 16. So a little bit breezy. Low tides, they'll be first up this morning, get started just before 9. 40s and 50s, call it partly cloudy and mild. Sunrise, 7:54. That was the effect of that time change yesterday. This afternoon, I think we'll make the mid-70s, call it partly cloudy and mild. Now tonight, the flip side of that later sunrise is that later sunset. That sun will be up till 7:42 tonight. And in the overnight period, it will cool off still. I'm expecting some low 50s tomorrow and mid-50s. But kind of spring-like all week. I call this the good stuff, guys. When we're in the 50s and highs up near 80, comfortable, minimal humidity, that is very, very pleasant.